guys, hi, how is it going? Happy Friday. I wanted to hop on here to give my live review of Carol's Daughter Intense Moisture products that I got from Influenster. I'm super excited to share everything with you guys. You know, like previous posts, that I got it from Influencer. It was a complimentary combo, and I'm super excited because I was wanting to try these products out, and I got 2 of them to test, so this should be fun. So the first one I got here is the Carol's Daughter Curl Perfecting Water Cocoa Mist. This is what you can use to activate or reactivate your curls or your coils, and all you do is take it. I don't know why that was so hard to come off, but I have, this is not a hairstyle, but I have this piece of hair right here just to demonstrate so you guys can see that I'm not trying to, you know, play you guys or anything. But these products are for very dry, curly, coily hair, right? So this is I did wash my hair. I didn't have the Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner, so of course I used the next best Monate. So I'm going to take this piece here. I'm going to spray evenly. I'm going to try to at least. Okay, so you guys can see it's going on. Can you see? Yep, all right. Okay, and what you're supposed to do is put it on, you know, make sure it's all within the hair strand, and then you can play around with it, you know, with your finger. And, ooh. Okay, gave a little curl there. I see it. And then if I... Oh, that's cute. Okay, so you see it does curl the hair. Right. All right. So then if you just want to, you know, spray this and go, I feel like this will be a little quicker than using the cream, which is the next one. This one is the Curl Shaping Cream Gel. So open it here, and I believe it is very creamy. Yeah, so you see, very, very creamy, but it smells really good, you guys. It says that this one has cocoa, mango, as far as the fragrance, and then this one has coconut water, and mango and papaya. So, see, it's very loose. I don't know if you guys can see it, but can you see? No, okay. So I'm just gonna take a little bit here. I'm gonna set it down because I'm known to make a mess, and I'm gonna just put it all through the hair. I think I got some on my glasses, but that's okay. So I'm making sure I get all the product in, all the way to the roots, all the way to the tip, just going right on in there. And then this is supposed to hold the curl, however like style you choose to create. It's gonna hold it there, right? So it's not going anywhere. It's gonna hold that curl in there until I decide that I want to change it. So I'm gonna see if I can split this to 2 pieces. Okay, maybe okay, so it does give it a little curl. It's a little bounce. It's not heavy, like it's very creamy, and I do love that because I don't want to like weigh my hair down. But I definitely feel like I would honestly use this one because I don't like to spend much time on my hair, so I think I just use this, you know, and keep it moving. But when I have more time, especially when I'm doing like a deep conditioner for my hair or something like that, I think that's when I would mainly use the cocoa cream. But I just wanted to come on and share that with you guys. It came with those 2 products, and then just a little card as you guys saw, showing you like what's in the box, how to use it, what each product is used for. And then it does say that for the Shaping Cream Gel, which is this one here, it's an all-day natural hold, no crunch or flakes or residue. And I don't feel any like, it's not sticky, it's very creamy and soft, and I feel the moisture in there, so you can really get it on my hands too. And then for the Perfecting Water Cocoa Mist, this one says that it's supposed to wet your curls for a soft, flexible hold. And then I think because my hair gets so dry very quickly, I'll just keep that, or like put it in like a smaller tube, or like a spray tube, and I can keep that in my purse. So like when I wear my natural hair, it's gonna like be handy because I can just go, you know, fluff up the curls a little bit. So see, it's still holding. Ooh, and it's still not dry. I like that. Hey. Okay, but anyway, I just had to come on here and show you guys. Oh my god. I had to show you guys a live review. I think I'm going to start doing more live reviews with each product that I have, for like when I get them from my box boxes. So if you guys haven't already, highly recommend Carol's Daughter. So good. I think I'm going to tell my aunt about it because my niece has or she's not my niece, but I call her my niece. She's my cousin, but she has severely dry hair. So I'm gonna hit them and get them to trying out some Carol's Daughter too, because I already told them about Monat. But as far as another hair care product, I think that's the second best what I would go to. So until next time, you guys, I thank you guys for tuning in for this, what, 6-7 minutes, I think. And I'm gonna head out and get some sleep. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Be safe, social distance, and have a great weekend, and just breathe. Everything's gonna be okay. And I'm glad to be back here. Thank you guys so much for like checking in on me and everything. But I'm so happy to give you this review. Stay tuned. Bye.